Breaking news, Eaglemoss files for administration. The filing was sudden and jolting, sending seismic shockwaves throughout the Star Trek collector community. A detonation of this magnitude hasn't been seen since the destruction of the Klingon moon Praxis, destroyed in a large explosion caused by overmining and insufficient safety precautions. Like an unscheduled visit from the Ferengi Commerce Authority dispensing a liquidator to collect, or a Chapter 11 bankruptcy in the US, administration is a UK legal status freezing collection actions against a company that can't pay its bills, while an administrator evaluates the company for a liquidation. In the wake of this disaster, the biggest casualty has to be the cancellation of their model subscription service building the Enterprise D kit. The disappointment hits the fans harder than the saucer striking the surface of Viridian 3. Only time will tell if a Genesis-type incident were to bring back Eaglemoss from their demise. Perhaps no snap of a finger can save them, or provide a trip through their own tapestry of life.
We are gathered here today to pay our final respects to my honored canceled subscription build kit, the Enterprise D. And yet, it should be noted, in the midst of my sorrow and heartbreak, I feel a sense of relief. I will not miss the challenge of attaching the panels that never aligned. This ending takes place in the shadow of new life, the sunrise of a world of savings. A world I will no longer struggle inserting each window pane one at a time. The exit of Eaglemoss will spare me the frustration of an over-the-top complicated lighting system or replacing the batteries once the model is sealed. A sacrifice worth accepting, not an empty one. And we will debate for coming years the profound wisdom of avoiding the torment of not completing it. Of this journey, I can only say this. Of all the model kits that I have encountered in my travels, this was the most expensive. That sucks.